guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I turned out my old pant into a co-ord set with my zero stitching skills and it turned out as a disaster. So first I started out measuring what length I want my shorts to be. Now I didn't want too short. I wanted it to be like a very not too short or like half pant. I wanted in the middle. So I did measure, mark and then cut it. With the remaining part, usually for a pant, one side is straight and other side is curved. So I took out the stitch of the curved side and made it equal, marked it equal and again cut it. So it came out for like 8.5 inch, somewhat like that. So both the legs I did so that I can make it like a front part and the back part. Now when you are going to stitch the side of the tube top, our body is like this and not like this. So I marked the line as like this, but my line was too slant, and when I stitched it, after stitching for the first time, I literally cut out all the excess. I didn't think of the what if it will be too tight, what if it will be too loose. I just literally cut down all the excess, and then I tried wearing it. I couldn't even go after this. Then I took out all the stitches, tried some other method of stitching so that I get at least this much of space so that I can fit myself into that tube top. So after stitching for the second time, I had no other option. So this is the top. So when you put like this, it should go inside, but it wasn't going. So when I tried wearing it this way, basically ulta, it went inside. But the only problem was that when I wore, the top was like this. It was quite open from down. It was not like a proper fit, and still it was a little too tight for me. So make sure never to cut the excess part. The pant, luckily the pant came out so well, like proper length. I wanted not too short, not too long, proper length. Only the top was too weird. So this is the overall look. So for overall outfit, I'll just give it 3 marks, like 3 out of 10. I really like the pants. I'll use it for other clothes, like to match up with other dress or clothes or t-shirts. The top, I don't think I'll use it. I'll just use it for pocha. So that's it for today's video. Never make this mistake. I'm really not satisfied with this outfit. I feel so sad. Anyways, it's a lesson learned. I hope you guys found this video fun or nice, anything. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, bell button, and I'll see you next time.